Okay, so I usually use a powder contour kit, but I am trying out the Wet n Wild dual-ended contour stick, and the thing that I think is kind of cool is it gives you directions right here on the back. So if you're not used to working with a contour stick, it'll help you out. So let's see how it goes. I have foundation on my face already. It's a Bare Mineral tinted moisturizer. So, all right, so this is what it looks like. All right, so we want to do the light side first. And if I'm looking at the picture, it looks like you want to keep the light in the middle of your face. So I'm really curious. Let's see, okay, and then it goes like this. I'm just looking at the picture. I may have gone a little bit too far out on the side, but it's practice makes perfect, right? When I have concealer on already, it's It Cosmetics concealer. Okay, so I've got, let's see, maybe a little bit more there. And then the contour, this side. So the color that I got was light and medium. So then when I look at this picture, it looks like I'm gonna do some dark right around here and down. So again, I feel like I'm gonna have to practice a little bit, and we'll see how this all looks when it's blended. Okay. Oh, I guess we do a little bit of light on this side too, or on the chin. Okay, and a little light right here. All right, ready for blending. Don't judge me too harshly. Like I said, I would never use the stick before. Getting it all blended together. Well, I really like how it's blending. Like, it doesn't feel like it's a lot of work to blend it. Maybe because I have lipstick on already, that part feels like it's a little work. Okay, don't put your lipstick on first. And we're gonna do some powder too, so. Okay, I feel like maybe I could have done a little more with the dark. What do you think so far? Okay, so I'm getting a little powder on there. Setting that in there. Yeah, I'm liking the powder, blending it all. All right, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. So I've already done contouring with the contour stick, and then I'm just going to build some color in here. Give a little bit of a rosy look. rosy up here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.